All right, so notes for 4.1, angles and their measures. Okay, so this will be something that's new. Most of this section is review from Algebra 2, but this little bit here is going to be new. So we're looking at degrees, first of all. Okay, so we have a system called the DMS system. It is degrees, minutes, and seconds. And I will just go ahead and tell you, these are not the typical minutes and seconds that you think of, like 60 minutes in an hour and stuff like that. These are different. Okay, this is a system of angle measure. Okay, each degree is divided into 60 minutes. Okay, and that is denoted by an apostrophe. Each minute, cannot spell today. Each minute is divided into 60 seconds. And it is denoted by little quotation marks, okay, or two apostrophes, as the case may be. Okay, so we can go basically two options. We can go degrees, minutes, seconds to decimal, okay, which gives us an answer in degrees. Okay, or we can go decimal to DMS, which gives us something, an answer in degrees, something in minutes, and then something in seconds. Okay, so obviously there'd be little numbers in there for that. Okay, but we'll get into examples of that when we're in class. It's just easier to explain in person to go over that. Okay, so then that was degrees. Okay, then let's see, radians. Okay, a central angle of a circle has measure 1 radian if it interrupts. Sorry, not interrupts. We're just going to start that word over. If it intercepts an arc with the same length as the radius, let's see. So degree, radian conversions. And remember, we make a conversion chart to do these. That was weird. Okay, so radians to degrees. The conversion is 180 degrees over pi radians. Degrees to radians is pi radians over 180 degrees. Just as a reminder, answers in radians have the pi left in them and are written as a fraction, not a decimal. Okay. We'll obviously, again, look at examples of that when we're back in class. So we have an arc length formula, and I'm guessing in this section at least we don't do anything with area, but I still might refresh your memory on the area formula as well. But the arc length formula, okay, this is in radian measure. Okay, this part is key here. If theta is a central angle in a circle of radius r, and if theta is measured in radians, then the length S of the intercepted arc, I didn't try to write interrupted that time, is given by, S is equal to r theta. Okay, again, now it's at the top. Theta must be in radians. Okay, that is the most common mistake, is that people forget that. Okay, theta has to be in radians or your answer won't be right. Okay, be the class that proves me wrong, because every time there is at least somebody who does not do it correctly. Okay, and then if you are given arc length in degrees, okay, obviously we have a conversion, that's the whole point of the conversions, but if arc length it's not really, let's see how to reword this. Arc length formula given degree measure. Okay, now I usually just make the conversion first, but if theta is in degrees, then S is equal to pi r theta divided by 180. Okay, this is simply just the conversion. This is just doing the conversion within the problem. / formula. Okay. Like I said, I don't think it comes up in this section, but just in case it does make a comeback, if you will. The area formula, area of a sector is A is equal to, oh goodness, I already forgot what it is. Hold on one second. One half r squared theta, or A is equal to 1/2 r times s, okay, because s is r theta, okay, from above. So I don't think you need that for this section, but just in case it comes back, or you do need it, or you just want a refresher from Algebra 2, there it is. We will do a few word problems within this section, okay, with like a slice of pizza and things like that, like finding the perimeter of a slice of pizza and things like that. But otherwise, that is all for this section of notes. So we'll just do examples to go with this on Monday. And this will give you guys kind of a little taste of what the flipped classroom is like. And if you guys like it, then maybe we can try it for this chapter. So we'll see.